Welcome to a beginner's guide to yoga and its health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the ancient practice of yoga and discover how it can improve your overall well-being. So, roll out your yoga mat and let's get started. What is yoga? Yoga is an ancient practice originating in India that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, meditation, and ethical principles. It's not just a form of exercise, it's a holistic approach to harmonizing the mind, body, and spirit. Now, let's dive into the incredible health benefits of yoga. Benefit number 1, increased flexibility and strength. Yoga poses, also known as asanas, gently stretch and strengthen your muscles, helping to improve your overall flexibility and build strength in both your core and peripheral muscles. Benefit number 2, stress relief. Yoga encourages deep breathing and focuses on being present in the moment. This helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote relaxation, providing a much-needed break from the demands of daily life. Benefit number 3, improved posture. Through regular practice, yoga helps you become more aware of your body alignment. It strengthens the muscles that support proper posture and corrects imbalances, leading to better overall alignment and reduced back and neck pain. Benefit number 4, enhanced mental clarity and focus. The combination of physical movement and mindful awareness in yoga helps improve concentration and sharpen mental clarity. It can also help reduce anxiety and improve overall cognitive function. Benefit number 5, better sleep quality. Yoga's relaxation techniques and stress reduction benefits can greatly improve your sleep. By practicing yoga regularly, you may experience deeper, more restful sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Benefit number 6, increased energy levels. Yoga incorporates controlled breathing and various poses that help increase blood circulation and oxygenation throughout the body. This can result in a boost of energy and vitality, leaving you feeling more invigorated. Benefit number 7, weight management. Regular yoga practice can assist in weight management by increasing metabolism, promoting healthy eating habits, and reducing stress-related eating. It helps create a balanced mind-body connection, making you more aware of your body's needs. So, how can you start practicing yoga? Step 1. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can practice without distractions. It can be your living room, a park, or a dedicated yoga studio. Step 2. Get yourself a yoga mat. A good quality mat will provide support and stability during your practice. Step 3. Start with beginner-friendly yoga sequences or join a beginner's class to learn the foundational poses and correct alignment. Step 4. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of yoga. Aim for at least 2 to 3 sessions per week to start. Remember, yoga is a personal journey. Listen to your body, be patient with yourself, and honor your limitations. With time and practice, you'll witness the positive changes yoga can bring to your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of yoga and its health benefits. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, may your yoga practice bring you peace, strength, and a deeper connection to yourself.